Guys, excuse my hair again. Hold on, let me put my glasses on. Okay, excuse the hair, but on this magnificent snow day, I'll let y'all see the snow in a little bit. Me and my brother and sister are about to have a basically race down the street to see who can get there the fastest. Because why not? Yeah, so we about to do this. I got my 2 pairs of socks on. I'm about to put a sweater on. Got some thick sweats on. It's about to be lit, guys. They gotta push my way to get outside. Like, this is crazy. But look at the freaking snow!
All right. A lot of snow on the ground, and they making a run for it. See who's the fastest. On your march, get set, go. Don't run me down. Shanice is last. Trinity, Darrell's at the beginning. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Trinity's second. Oh, Darrell and Trinity fell. And Shanice is the winner. Oh, Shanice beat them both. Shanice is the winner. Darrell is second. Trinity is third. All right, Shanice is the champion. That's it.
My experience in this race was terrible. I thought I was winning because, you know, they was a little bit in front of me and I just hit jets on them. Then, before you know it, I had my arms out. You know how they do it when they in the races like that? Like, woo! And then I just tripped and fell on my face. My face was soaking wet, and that's why Shanice won. It was fun though.
Get up, Trin. Look at Puppy galloping. So my experience for the race was it was alright at the beginning. I thought I could be able to catch up to Little. Thought it would be easy. And then, I don't even know what happened. I ended up falling. And I looked and Little fell too. And Shanice started winning the race. I couldn't believe it. But, yeah, it was really fun. But yeah, it was cool. Tupac! He got mad snow on him. Come on, puppy. Okay, I'm the winner of the race, but like my mother said, slow and steady wins the race. I was the turtle and they were the rabbit. You know, I was trying to get them and like throw them down. I was trying to cheat a little bit, but you know, I just won because they were moving too fast. You know, you gotta take it slow. But yeah, I'm the winner.